Alright, back at J&J Sports Cards, we got a box of 2007 Lethal Limited. Jason's about to crack into it. Hey, Maurice Jones-Drew fans, this was pulled last week. Nice piece of the Jaguar. See what he gets. We got any thick ones?
Two thick ones.
See Steve McNair on the back.
See a Brian Westbrook in there.
Chris Chambers base. Tim Shaw. Joe Green team trademarks. Steve McNair. And we have an autograph, Michael Okwo or Akwo. Never heard of him. Number to 299. Not bad.
John Beck. Oh, John Beck Auto Phenoms. Nice patch.
Three-color patch, John Beck. Let's see what the number on is it. 72 and 99.
Last cards 15 of 25. Brian Westbrook. Just because I like Brian Westbrook. Nice patch.
A nice patch.
Check that out.
Number, what is it? Out of 25?
15 of 25.
15 of 25. Any Eagle fans? We're in Eagle Country here in South Jersey. It's a nice 1, 2, 3, 4-color patch. 3 rows of stitching. Very nice. Stay tuned, folks. J&J Sports Cards.